There once lived a young woman by the name of Foodie in the bright, energetic metropolis of New York. Foodie was not your typical woman, she was endowed with a unique sense of taste. For Foodie, food was more than just nourishment, it was a kind of art, a symphony of tastes and textures that could take her on a journey through many dimensions and elicit a wide range of emotions. Foodie's culinary adventures began in her grandmother's kitchen, where she spent countless hours observing her grandmother's magical touch as she transformed simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. From the aromatic spices of Indian curries to the delicate sweetness of French pastries, Foodie absorbed every culinary nuance with an insatiable curiosity. As Foodie grew older, her passion for food intensified. She devoured cookbooks, experimented with new recipes, and eagerly sought out unique dining experiences. Her apartment became a culinary haven, filled with exotic spices, fragrant herbs, and a collection of cookbooks that spanned the globe. Foodie's love for food was contagious. Her friends and family eagerly awaited her invitations to her dinner parties, where she would present culinary creations that were both visually stunning and explosively flavorful. Foodie's meals were not just about satisfying hunger, they were about storytelling, about sharing her passion for the world's diverse cuisines. One day, Foodie's culinary journey took an unexpected turn. While exploring a hidden corner of the city, she stumbled upon a quaint restaurant tucked away in an alleyway. Drawn by the enticing aroma wafting from the kitchen, Foodie ventured inside, her heart pounding with anticipation. The restaurant was dimly lit, with an air of mystery and intrigue. As Foodie's eyes adjusted to the darkness, she noticed a single figure seated at a table in the corner. An elderly gentleman with a gentle smile and kind eyes greeted Foodie warmly and invited her to join him. The gentleman introduced himself as Chef Antoine, a master of French cuisine who had spent his life perfecting his craft. He explained that his restaurant was a hidden gem, known only to a select few who appreciated the art of fine dining. Intrigued, Foodie agreed to stay and dine with Chef Antoine. As he prepared each dish, he meticulously explained the ingredients, the techniques, and the stories behind the recipes. With each bite, Foodie was transported to the heart of France, experiencing the flavors and traditions that had been passed down through generations. Chef Antoine became Foodie's mentor, guiding her deeper into the world of culinary artistry. He taught her the importance of balance, the harmony of flavors, and the power of storytelling through food. Foodie's culinary skills flourished under Chef Antoine's tutelage, and her passion for food deepened. News of Foodie's extraordinary culinary talents spread throughout the city. Food critics raved about her innovative dishes, and her restaurant became a beacon for discerning foodies. Foodie's creations were not just about taste, they were expressions of her creativity, her passion, and her love for food. Despite her growing fame, Foodie remained humble and grounded. She never lost sight of the simple pleasures of food, the joy of sharing a meal with friends and family, and the beauty of creating something truly special from simple ingredients. Foodie's story is a testament to the power of food to bring people together, to create memories, and to celebrate the rich tapestry of cultures and traditions that make up our world. Through her culinary journey, Foodie inspired others to embrace the joy of food, to explore new flavors, and to appreciate the art of cooking.